when someone asks you, what is this big data? I'd like each of you to, tell me what you say.
Unlike 10 years ago or 20 years ago, certainly, and perhaps 10 years ago, we all as consumers produce enormous amounts of big data every single day. That does not necessarily mean that big insights can be drawn from big data. I think there is a sort of a view that, well, if we've got data, we can draw blinding insights from it. That is not the case. It takes a tremendous amount of work to take a big data set or many big data sets and turn it into to insights.
It's an opportunity to interact with consumers, find out how we can improve services. It's an opportunity to draw information from different resources and then make the connections, build on where the information is coming from, what can we do with it, and then how can we leverage it to actually improve and enhance people's experiences.
In the past, data has come from one source. It's a survey, or when you study stats in your school, you have one data set that you probably download. But I think what has happened in the current world now is that every device, every object, everything now gives off data. And I think big to me is the sources of data, that we have many, many, many different sources now, and there's not one point of truth anymore. And so big data for my organization or anything in the real world will be, you're going to be challenged with all the different data sources you're going to come up with, and it's the amount of data that you can connect, not the data you collect.